What are you doing? What?
I don't know. It's not. Oh shit. Washcloth.
We buy there, honey.
Stop being gay. I swear.
Alright, so come here. This is $1. What do you think we should get this one?
No.
Why not? How about? Oh my god! 4 pieces for $1. 4 pieces for $1. Look at this shit. Oh my god. I love fucking dollar. Dollar style. Oh my god. $1. So far we got 2 packs of shirts. We got toilet paper. 12 rolls. And 4 pieces of fucking kitchen.